In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import variable products in WooCommerce. We'll walk step by step through the import process, ensuring that each product is correctly uploaded into your store, making your e-commerce management seamless and efficient. Whether you're transitioning to WooCommerce or expanding your current inventory, mastering this skill can make a significant difference. Let's begin by accessing your WordPress dashboard. First, navigate to the Products section and select All Products. This page is where you'll find the import option that we need. Once you locate it, go ahead and click Import. This is your gateway to uploading your variable products into the WooCommerce system. Next, you'll need to upload your CSV file. This file is crucial as it contains all the detailed information about the products you want to add to your store. It's important to ensure your CSV file is well organized and formatted correctly. Common fields you should include are product name, SKU, price, and stock levels, among other specifics that may be necessary for your store setup. If you're not familiar with CSV files, they can be edited in programs like Excel or Google Sheets, which allow you to arrange your product data into a tabular format that WooCommerce can easily read. A key tip here is to make sure that you check the file for any errors before uploading it. Simple mistakes, like misspelled headings or misplaced data, can cause the import to fail or result in inaccuracies in your product listings. Double-checking the file can save you time and headaches further down the line. Once your file is ready and uploaded, you have an optional but highly recommended step: enabling the Update Existing Products option. This is particularly useful when you're updating your current inventory rather than uploading new products from scratch. If you choose to match your products by SKU, you ensure that any existing product details in your store get updated with the new data from your CSV file. This feature is handy for maintaining accurate inventory and product details without the risk of duplicating entries. As you proceed, the next step involves mapping the columns from your CSV file to the fields in WooCommerce. Mapping is essentially ensuring that each piece of data, such as prices and stock quantity, is placed in the correct field within WooCommerce. This helps prevent errors and misplaced data, which can confuse your customers or disrupt the buying process. WooCommerce may attempt to auto-detect these mappings, but it's always beneficial to review and confirm them to ensure everything aligns perfectly. With everything mapped out, go ahead and run the importer. This process might take a few moments depending on the size of your catalog. Once the import is complete, the last thing you want to do is review the success and failure logs. These logs will provide detailed feedback on the import process, highlighting any issues that might need your attention. Address any errors indicated here to ensure your store remains in top condition. By following these steps, you efficiently import variable products into your WooCommerce store, keeping your product lineup accurate and up to date for your customers. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!